Hi, good morning. This is Chester, your AIA Life Planner. So for today's video, ang gagawin ko po is I'll be explaining to you how to file a claim here on My AIA app or on your My AIA account. So right now, I am here sa home page or sa loob ng aking My AIA account. So if bubuksan nyo yung inyong My AIA account, you can do it on your computer, on your cell phone, tablet, or iPad. So kahit saan nyo pa siya buksan, no? So, yan. So, paano nga ba yung way or the easiest way to file a claim? So, ayan. So, right now, here, you need to scroll down a little bit on the home page and then you will see a file a claim, no? Ayan. Then you just need to click on that. And actually, i-redirect kayo sa aia.com.ph or sa website mismo ni AIA. So, to file a claim. So, before anything else, no, you can only file a claim if only kung meron kayo dun sa benefit nyo na possible na makapag-claim kayo. Okay, na-gets ba yun? So you need to check on your benefits if it is possible for you to file a claim, like for accident, illness, or death, or anything else like hospitalization, all that. Kaya napaka-importante na you always review your policy and as much as possible ask your financial advisor kung hindi kayo kumbaga dun sa mga terms, you can ask your financial advisor to have a review of your existing plans, no, with AIA Philippines. So right now we are here in the claims. Yan. Napaka-importante kasi na alam niyo yung benefits niyo because sometimes, akala niyo pwede pala pero wala. So, at least if you know that you have a benefit like that for accident, illness, or death, at least you know na you can file a claim. So, that's the easiest way, no? Ayan. So, you can just click on whether it's for accident, illness, or death. So let's say for accident, you got into an accident like nabangga, and then you need to go to the hospital like that. So may mga hospital bills, mga ganon. So let's just try this. File a claim now. So basically, you just need to fill up all of this, mga basic information, and then the accident information. Of course, you need to make a detail about what happened, no? Yan. So, ano ba yung pwedeng mga accident, no? Actually, pwede rin yung mga accident as long as you got into the hospital na may expenses ka, like na bunggo and then may injury, need surgery, or kapag actually pwede rin yung kapag nakagat ng aso or pusa, mga ganon, pwede yon. So, you need to check on that, no? So if ano siya if you have a medical reimbursement benefit, yon pwede siya doon, no? But if in any case like na accident and then naputulan ng daliri, yon pasok siya sa accident and health if I'm not mistaken. So you need to check on that and then there's a percentage for every dismemberment, mga ganun, dun sa face amount ninyo. So, you need to check on that. So, lagay nyo lang lahat ng information needed. And then, as much as possible din, dapat yung information nyo ay updated palagi, no? Kasi baka magkaroon lang ng problem in terms of, mga need to request ni AIA for you. And then after that, kapag you can proceed with the next one. And then, yan, lahat ng kailangan. And then after that, you just need to submit your requirements, no? Actually, may mga requirements din to for accident. You need to have something like a police report, mga ganon, or something like in terms of sa hospital, yung hospital bill or sa anything na ginawa sa'yo sa emergency. So, yung mga ganon. And then after that, you will get your reference number, no? So, you can also, okay, where did it go? You can also file a claim for illness. Yan. So, this is more of like sa illness naman kapag na-hospitalize ka. So, you need to check on your benefit, no? If you have a hospital income benefit, surgical, mga ganon. So, you need to check on that. Critical illness, if you have that. Early stage. Sometimes magkaiba yun eh. With early stage and tsaka yung major. So, if merong early stage critical illness yung plan nyo, you can get an amount of 25% nung buong face amount ng major critical illness. But then, kung major critical illness, hindi siya applicable for early stage kasi siya, kapag major na lang kagad yun. So, as much as possible, sana yung mga plans is merong early stage para at least if nasa stage 1 or 2 ka pa lang, early stage pa lang, you can already get a benefit for that. No? Ayan. So, you just need to fill up all of this, no? Yung medical consultation and all that. Tapos, ganun din, you just need to submit every requirements here. Ayan. And then you'll get a reference number and i-check mo lang if ano na yung status and all that. And lastly would be the death claims, no? Ito naman, I think madali na lang tong death claims kasi um, this is for the beneficiary, no? Yan. So, ayan, lagay nyo lang yung information about the insured, and then yung beneficiary. Ito naman, it's important no na kilala nyo or kung sino man yung beneficiary ng insured kasi pwedeng, minsan dito rin nagkakaroon ng problem, no? Usually kapag iba pala yung nakalagay na beneficiary, ganyan. So, ayun lang naman. So, you just need to fill up all of this and then send your requirements and then you get a reference number. So, that's the easiest way. You can do this all by yourself. Hindi nyo na kailangan ng financial advisor nyo to do this. But then, if magkaroon man kayo ng problema, as much as possible din talaga gamitin nyo yung service ng financial advisor nyo. So, ang pwedeng mangyari is that you can ask for their help, no? And then we have actually an application on our end, which is the iServe. And then from there, masaservicean namin kayo. So para at least tutulungan namin kayo in terms of having claims. Ganun siya. So, it's not necessarily financial advisor nyo. Pwede kahit sinong financial advisor ni AIA pwede mag-service sa inyo. But of course, mas maigi yung financial advisor nyo yung mag-service sa inyo para at least, na they are still actively working sa AIA. So, ayun lang. So, if you have any other question with regards to claims, you may send me a message, chat me, or as much as possible, yun nga, go back to your financial advisor if you have any questions with regards to your concerns para at least they can help you thoroughly. So, ayun lang. Thank you for watching this. Bye.